Hi lovies, how are you? I hope you're doing well. Thank you so much for stopping by. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to style short natural hair. But if it's your first time you're watching my video, hello, how are you? Welcome. My name is Glory. Before you leave, kindly hit the subscribe button below. Also, don't forget to turn on notification bell. Please help me to share this video as much as you can. Thank you so much. So straight to the video, I just start to part a small section back of my head so that later on I will crochet some hair there, and then I make the shape of the line I want. You may go with any shape depending on how you like your lines to be. So here I'm going to secure one side, and this another side I'm going to divide into two. I hold my hair in these two parts, and every time before I add hair, I make sure my hands they are mid of the lines so that it will be easy for me to add hair from right to left. Every time the section I add will go under my thumb finger, while the index finger and thumb finger at the same time help me to pick new section of hair. Then I keep going. I add hair, and the previous section always be under my thumb finger to avoid that hair to mix with other section. And then before I add hair, that section under I'll add no matter right or left. Then I'll keep braiding. Oh my goodness, I think to explain about braiding is a bit difficult, but I hope the more you watch like what I'm doing, like how my finger moving, it will be easy for you to understand more than my explanation. I hope this makes sense. So here I continue braid till end of this line. But if you cannot do cornrows and you can do flat twists, it's also okay for do flat twists. Or if you don't even know how to do flat twist, I also have another tutorial I show how to do flat twist. I'll put the link in the description below. In case this method is hard for you, maybe check that method to do flat twist. Maybe it might be easy for you. Same to this another line. I make sure I make line every time. I make sure these two section I'll not put the hair together, and always before I add hair I'll make sure my fingers they are middle to separate these lines so that I can add hair from right and left. Then I keep braiding. And the same way I continue braid till end of my hair. And here I'm adding both sides, I mean right and left to balance the line. And in back section, this is how the hair looks like, and this is how I braid in back. So the section I divided down, now I'm going to braid. You may decide to do any kind of braid. So here I'm going to do a quick line. And when I'm braiding this line, I also join the tail of these two front lines so that later when I crochet it, I'll make sure I crochet all this hair together so that the tail will not show out, and at the same time I'll start crochet from down of my hair so that will be hard for someone to notice if I add some hair over there. So here I braid till end, and then I'll be using Marley hair. This Marley hair I ordered from online, and this is color 1B. I only use half of this pack, so I'll be crochet all of this hair. This is a half pack. and I'll be crochet down the section I mean the last line, and I'll make sure I crochet enough hair so that later it will be easy to cover all the back section. Every time I pick 2 pieces of Marley hair and I crochet at the same time, then I secure only one time, then I jump to the next crochet and I crochet again, secure one time, just like this. If you don't have Marley hair, you may use Afro Puff. If you have, just do something simple. So after I finish crochet, I take the section, then I do a kind of twist, just very loose twist, and I twist this hair till end. I take a very small section and I secure the hair at the end so that the hair cannot unravel. I do exactly the same thing to other side, very loose twists, and I twist it till end of the braiding hair. Then I take a very small section of hair and I secure again to avoid the braiding hair to unravel. I'll be using bobby pin to pin this hair back, and this is how I pin this hair. Be careful when you pin your braiding hair. Don't put the bobby pin too in because it's very uncomfortable and very pain if you place them in the wrong way. So just make sure you pin it well. I'll be using this wire, and here I'm going to do a kind of X. In case you don't have this, you may use any kind of accessory just to spice up your style a little bit. If you never use this kind of wire to attach on your hair, you may decide either to do one side or do crisscross. If you want to do crisscross, you must make sure the second side you have to put every time in between. And guys, after I finish this, I secure the wire, and this is the final result for today's video. I hope you enjoy watching and you get something. If yes, kindly give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and share as much as you can. Share to your loved one, your friends, everyone you wish they know how to style this hairstyle. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you soon on my next video. Bye bye.